Okay, so I realized I forgot to get a video of the other igloo, but I think it's pretty much gone. That's how much melting we've had. So, yep, it's pretty much gone. It's really gone. You can see, sort of, it goes way back up in there. Our neighbors have girls that are 9, 8, and 2, and they could definitely almost stand up in there. It was quite huge. Actually, I'm going to walk down to the end of the court because the piles down at the end, all those shrunken significantly. Yeah, really significantly. They're still pretty big and impressive. And you can also just see how big things once were. All these piles. You can see where the snow pile is kind of pushing up in piles. One of the biggest problems around here right now is that making turns is virtually impossible. You can't see because the piles on the corners are so big. And some areas are a little bit lower, and they're finally, with the melting, getting to the point where you can actually see. I'm in a really low little car, and that makes it quite a challenge. There's the pile, and look down the end of the court, and we're now at the edge of the other court. And my neighbor's either coming in or going. Oh, she's leaving. Get out of her way here. But walking down to the end, I don't think these people have shoveled out over here. Gotta wait for her to move. Alright. A lot of roads are still very much one lane. Definitely can't see around this snow pile here to make a turn. So that gives you just a bit more of an idea about how big the snowstorms really were. So yep. But they're saying that we might get more. And historically, we usually get a decent snowfall. A major snowfall in March. Not much yet. So we might be still in for it. We had a dusting to an inch earlier in the week, and that put us over the edge. Now it's exactly 80 inches, which our last record was, I think, 62.5 inches, which was set in 95, 96. So we are well over our past yearly record for total snowfall in a season, and we currently are #1 in the country as far as a major city and the total snowfall this year, even beating out areas like Buffalo, New York, which normally get 100-some inches. So all we really need is a couple more snowfalls to get to 100, and who knows, we might do that. Kind of hoping we don't, but at this point, why not? So it just shows you a couple more things. I thought I might as well show you while I'm out here and forgot about.